everyone, welcome back. It's Tasha here. I am so sorry that I didn't get a video up Monday or Tuesday. I have had the worst migraine and I can't get rid of it. But I wanted to get a video up today. We talked about doing my BoxyCharm base box unboxing the last time. So that's what we're going to do today real quick. And then I'll get another video up on Saturday for the BoxyCharm try-on. And then I really wanted to get your feedback about a new series that I would like to start on the channel. I've heard a couple of people do it. The Jen Loves Reviews kind of has done something similar, as well as Seeking Alexandria Page from her channel has done kind of a, not why do you watch certain beauty YouTubers or why using their favorite products. And I kind of like to do a little bit of a spin on that of doing my favorite products from my favorite beauty YouTubers. So let me know what you think in the comments, if that would be a good idea, if anybody would be interested. If you're new to the channel, I typically do makeup unboxings, try-ons, and then I will add some lifestyle, some fit fashion in there as we go along. So without any more talk, let's go ahead and jump right into the video. So BoxyCharm, for those of you who don't know, is a beauty subscription, and there are several different levels. We're going to unbox the base box today. And I did not get a card with that, which I hate that I don't get a card anymore. I want to know. But I did look up the product, so we'll at least know the prices real quick. So let's go through. First thing that I have is the Daily Concepts shampoo bar. And it is, you know, there's no plastic in it, and that really is to help avoid plastic going down the drain, be more eco-friendly kind of thing. It is wet the bar, swipe bar several times over your hair, and scrub it up. So it's a shampoo bar for your hair. It does come with a my brain is not working, I'm so sorry y'all. A handle. It smells lavendery and herbal, so not bad. It is pretty sticky, but at least you could hang it up in your shower. For me, especially with my hair, I obviously get it dyed blonde, and I would never use something like this. So for me, I'm going to pass this along. It will not be anything that I would use. I use a shampoo, purple shampoo that helps tone my hair. This is just not something that is very good for me. The price for this, though, was $24. Next thing that we received is the Pretty Vulgar eyeshadow primer. And I haven't tried a lot of Pretty Vulgar stuff. I have been dying to try their foundation. Oh, and that's unexpected. I thought it was going to be a, I don't know why. I thought it was going to be a doe foot, but it is not. It is just a little squeeze tube, and we'll squeeze just a little bit out on my hand here. It is, you can't even see that because that's not even enough. So you can see right there, it is kind of a creamy color, and I'm blending it out, and it blends right out into almost the color of my skin. I have way too much on my hand, so you guys could see what was going on. It feels very slidey. It feels very slippery. So we'll see. We'll use that in the try-on, see if it dries down, see what happens with that. We'll use that. We actually got a palette, which I'm going to do next. So I did get, and I was super excited, the Violet Voss Essentials palette, because I like makeup. I want to get makeup in my BoxyCharm. So you can see the color story there. It's called the Essentials palette, the Pro series. I've never used Violet Voss at all, although I've heard quite a few people say that the eyeshadows are really good. Violet Voss palette was $29, and I forgot to tell you that the Pretty Vulgar was $22. So that's where we are price-wise so far. I'm excited for the palette. I'm interested for the Pretty Vulgar because I wanted to try some stuff with them. The next thing that I received is the Glam Glow Berry Glow Probiotic Recovery Mask. Glam Glow is another brand that I have not tried anything from. I'm interested to try it. I typically am super lazy and don't like a out-of-the-jar mask, but that's what this is. There isn't a little scooper to apply it with. You just gotta do it with your fingers, or if you have a mask applier, that would help. So that's what that is. And this is actually $49, so definitely the most pricey thing in the box. And then the last thing, oh, there goes my box. Wah, wah, makeup wipes. So Dead Sea Mineral and Vitamin C Serum Makeup Remover Wipes. Even removes waterproof mascara. For me, the makeup wipes are not something that I typically use. I use a face halo or that kind of a thing to remove all of my makeup. Makeup wipes typically don't work very well for me, but also create a lot of waste, so I try to avoid them where I can. This is not something that I think is a good item for a makeup box, and that's just a personal opinion here. I subscribe to BoxyCharm because I want makeup, not a makeup wipe. At any rate, it's probably something that I'll be giving away as well. So the makeup wipes were $17 for a total of $141 for the whole box. So definitely over the price that they say it will be. But with two products, the shampoo bar, which is $24, and the makeup wipes, which is $17, neither of these things I can or will use. So that brings the box's value down for me quite a bit. Still, with the Glam Glow, with the Violet Voss Essentials palette, and the Pretty Vulgar, there are still things to try, still definitely worth the value. But these two things, not something that I really want in a BoxyCharm. At any rate, I know it's a quick video. We're just running through real quick. I am so happy that you joined me. If you're interested in unboxings, in makeup, in kind of fit fashion, please consider subscribing. Hit the thumbs up button for me because that would help me a huge amount. And thank you so much for joining me, all. Again, I'm sorry for the kind of delay. Next week I go for Botox on Wednesday, so hopefully that will help get these migraines out. At any rate, please take care of yourselves, take care of each other, and be safe. And again, thank you, and I will see you on Saturday. Bye.